Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Harjeet Pal Singh, and in today's session, I'm going to resume my discussion talking about the same topic, how we can speak more on the cue card. Now, if you remember last time, the topic that I discussed was personality. Now, in case if you have missed that session, you can go through the link that I have shared in the comment section and you can watch that video. Now, the topic that I have picked today is how we can speak more on places such as heritage building, historical places, gardens, art gallery, or maybe your school. Like last time, today also I'm going to share the format, and not to surprise you, the format is still going to remain the same. So, for better understanding, let's get started. Here is the format. Now, if you see, the format is still the same as I said. So, last time I told you that I always divide my cue card into three different sections: introduction, history, and present. So, let's dig deep and understand what are different points that we can include in these sections. The first one is introduction. So, in introduction, of course, I'm going to mention the name of the place, location, who built it, when was it built, or maybe when was it established. Now, in the second section, I'm going to talk about the history, about the past of this place, which means that I will go in flashback and will talk how I first came to know about this place. Maybe I would have read it somewhere, or maybe I have visited this place for the first time during my childhood. So these are the points that I can include in this section. So how did you come to know about this place? How did you feel when you first saw this place? Talk about its structure, its appearance. And in this, you can include talking about shape, its interior, and in case if it is related with the park, garden, then you can include relevant points. In the third section, I'm going to talk about the present, which means that I'm going to talk about the significance of this place for the city, for the state, and for the country. I hope this format is clear to you. Now, for the better understanding, I'm going to share the sample answer of one of the cue cards related to the topic. And I have highlighted three different sections in the cue card with three different colors so that you can understand the format in the better way. So let's have a look at it. Here is the cue card. Describe an important building in your hometown. Now, in the first section, we talked about the introduction part. So I have highlighted it here. Let me just read it. I belong to Kapurthala. It is a small city in Punjab state. It is a historically famous place and has several buildings and monuments. It was a princely state during the pre-independence time and later known as the city of palaces and gardens. Here, I would like to talk about one of the essential buildings in my hometown, and it is Sainik School. It was formerly known as Jagatjeet Palace and was the palace of Maharaja Jagatjeet Singh, the French architect. M. Marcel constructed it, and therefore it is based on the theme of French architecture. Now, in the second section, we talked about past. So I have highlighted it here. Let me just read what we can talk in this section. I first saw this building when I was 5 years old. After that, I have visited this building many times with my friends and family members. This building is enormous and spread across 200 acres of land, and it is situated in the heart of the city. The interior architecture of this building is mesmerizing and unique. Furniture is made of stone, marble, and wood, and there is an art gallery which reminds of the ancient time. Now, in the third section, we discussed about the significance of the place. That means to talk about the present time. Let's have a look at it. The authority of Kapurthala has allowed visitors to explore this unique piece of architecture once a month. Behind the building, there is a vast playground where different types of sports and activities take place. This building is a point of attraction for many visitors who visit Kapurthala throughout the year. I believe that such structures are unique and enhance the beauty and importance of the city. It reveals the rich culture and tradition of the place, and hence its preservation becomes the utmost responsibility of citizens and authorities. I hope with the help of the sample answer, I was able to make you understand about the format. Now, that is all from my end today. I will talk to you soon. Till then, you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.